Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on KVL and KCL. Let us see the problems. Find I naught in the circuit. We start with a simple problem and we go to the tougher problem later. So find I naught. This is I naught, we have to find this. So as usual we apply KVL. So the current is going like this and this, right? Write KVL equation. Here current enters through negative terminal. So I put minus 36 V. So voltage minus 36. Why I put minus? Because current enters through negative terminal. So here we assume the role as plus and minus. So here current enters through positive terminal. So I put plus 4 V into I is V is equal to I into R. I naught. So 4 I is I naught. R is 4. Here current enters through positive terminal. So I put again. This is voltage source, dependent voltage source, right? Because it is plus and minus terminal, so dependent voltage source. So phi I naught. So total voltage around any closed loop is 0. So this implies I naught is equal to 4 ampere. Simple problem. Okay. Next problem. Find V value in the circuit. So we have to find this. So again, we write KVL. That is simple. So let us assume current is flowing like this, and here it is, here, and here it is. So we start from here. So here current enters through negative terminal. So I put minus 9 volt. Here current, it is plus and minus, I assume. So current enters to positive terminal. So I put plus. V is equal to I into R. I is I, R is 6. So 6I. Here V is equal to I into R. I is I, R is 2 ohm. So 2I. Here current enters to positive terminal. So I put plus 3. That is equal to 0. Right? So this implies what do you call 8I 8I is equal to 6. I is equal to 3 by 4 ampere. So we got I value. Now what I want, we have to find V value. So let us take this loop, right? So again we apply KVL. What is the thing? It is, so this current, we assume this is I. So here current enters through negative terminal. So it is minus 9. Here current enters to positive terminal. So 6I, 6 into I. Here the loop is closing like this. We assume that it is plus. So here current enters to positive terminal. So it is plus V, that is equal to 0, right? So now what will happen? This indicates minus 9 into I is 4 by 3, 6 into 3 by 4 plus V is equal to 0. 18 by 4 is 4.5, right? So V is equal to 4.5 volt. So 18 by 4.5. Sorry, this is plus. So 9 minus 4.5 minus 4.5. So V is equal to plus 4.5. So the answer is 4.5 volt. Next we see this problem. Obtain V1, V2, V3 in the circuit shown in below. Okay. So here again we have to find the voltage. So we use KVL. Let us assume current flows like this for all that. This is having a 3 loops. So here this is current I1. This is I2. This is I3. Right. So for loop 1, KVL is here current going like this and it is coming. So it is coming like here. So it is entering negative terminal. So what's the value? So I forgot to write the value. It is 24 volt. Okay. So what will happen? Here enters through negative terminal. So it is minus 24. Here it enters to positive terminal. So V1 is equal to I into R. So I is I1 R. So this is R value, right? So otherwise I write this is V1. They didn't give anything R value. They gave V1 value. So we write V1, right? Here then it is coming. It is entering through positive terminal. So it is plus V1. Here then it is coming, I1 is coming like this, so here it entering through negative terminal, so I put minus V2, so that is equal to 0. Now we see loop 2, this is loop 2, here current enters to plus 12 volt, so it is plus positive terminal, so it is plus 12, and it enters through plus positive terminal of V2, so it is plus V2, and again it is going like this, and it is entering through positive terminal of V3, so plus V3 is equal to 0, right? For loop 3, here you see current is flowing like this, so it is coming like here, so it enters through positive terminal of 10 volt, so plus 10, and here for V3 it is entering through negative terminal because it is coming like this and it is entering here, so it is minus negative terminal it encounters first, so minus V3 is equal to 0. This indicates V3 is equal to 10. V3 10 volt, if you substitute V3 10 volt here, 10 plus 12 22, so this implies V2 is equal to minus 22 volt. So from this we can understand this implies V1 is equal to V2 plus 24. V2 is minus 22, so plus minus 22 plus 24, 2 volt. So that's all about this session. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.